Uh, this is normal normal code, which is rich text display field, but it is used like whenever we have summary page, and in projects like we have like a number of summary page. So it's a challenge to make it consistent, all the page and all the text. That's why I have written this code. So here, like, you don't have to write the whole code here. The thing is, what you need to do is you need to call this uh, uh, rule and interface, and just you need to pass the value, label, and help tool tip, and so when whether it is true or false, then you will get the result. No need to bother about what color, what text, what kind of text you need to put. So you will get result like this. So it is easy to like call it anywhere. So the thing is, how to write this code is, here what I did is, abe and rich text I have taken. In that, like, I have like passed label as ri label, help tool tip as ri help tool tip, and in the value what I am passing is abe and rich text item. Here in the text I am like using if loop. So if ri value is empty, then you can, like, by default whatever you want to print it, and if it is null, then this, or else you can make print your value and convert this to uniform string. And here comes like, this is for text, and for what style it belongs to is, we are checking if this is null, then it should be emphasize type, and if it is like null, not null, if it has some value, then it should be a plain type. Now we are coming to color. Like, again we are checking if this is null, then it should have secondary color. If it is like, if we have like value, then we are going to show it is like a standard color. So when also we are going to like have similar function, we are checking if so when input we are providing, if it is null, then it is so when is true. If it is not null, then whatever we have entered, according to that it will show the data. So this is like, in this video, this is it. Thank you.